The iPhone 18 Pro Max represents Apple's latest vision of what a premium smartphone should be. With powerful hardware, refined design, and intelligent software, Apple once again sets a new standard in the flagship phone category. This device is designed for users who want top-level performance, professional cameras, and a smooth long-term experience. Starting with the design, the iPhone 18 Pro Max feels solid and luxurious in hand. Apple continues with its premium glass front and back combined with a strong metal frame, giving the phone durability without sacrificing elegance. The edges are refined for a better grip, and the overall balance makes it comfortable despite its large size. The phone is also water and dust resistant, making it reliable for daily use in different environments. The display is one of the strongest highlights of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. It features a large OLED Super Retina XDR screen with exceptional brightness, deep blacks, and accurate colors. Watching videos, playing games, or even reading text feels immersive and sharp. The 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate makes scrolling and animations extremely smooth, giving the phone a premium and fluid feel. Whether indoors or under direct sunlight, the screen remains clear and vibrant. Performance is where the iPhone 18 Pro Max truly shines. Powered by Apple's latest A18 Bionic chip, this phone delivers extremely fast speeds and efficient power usage. Everyday tasks feel instant, and heavy applications like gaming, video editing, or multitasking run without any lag. The improved graphics performance makes high-end games look stunning, while the optimized processor ensures the phone stays cool and responsive. The camera system on the iPhone 18 Pro Max is built for both casual users and professionals. The main camera captures sharp, detailed photos with natural colors. Low-light photography has been improved, allowing clearer night shots with less noise. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for landscapes and in group photos, while the telephoto lens enables high-quality zoom without losing detail. Video recording is also top-tier, with smooth stabilization and cinematic quality that makes it ideal for content creators. Battery life is another strong point. The iPhone 18 Pro Max easily lasts a full day of heavy use, including browsing, video streaming, and gaming. Apple's software optimization helps extend battery health over time. Fast charging and wireless. MagSafe charging add convenience, allowing users to power up quickly when needed. On the software side, iOS 18 brings a clean, smooth, and secure experience. New customization options, improved privacy controls, and smarter system features make daily usage more enjoyable. The integration with other Apple devices like MacBooks, iPads, and Apple Watch creates a seamless ecosystem that many users appreciate. In conclusion, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is a complete flagship smartphone. It combines premium design, powerful performance, an excellent display, and professional-level cameras into one device. While it comes with a high price, it delivers quality, reliability, and long-term value. For users looking for the best iPhone experience available, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is a strong and future-ready choice.